Hey guys, alright, so today we're taking a drive along West Avenue down to Dunrobin Avenue. So we're currently on West Avenue right now. We just came off Kingston Spring Road. So just showing you guys around this side. I've never recorded this side before. So again guys, welcome to another video. And as most of you guys know, if you're not new, I'm Rush, and you can see similar driving videos like this once you subscribe. We have other reviews as well, apartment review, property tours. We have all different types of videos on the channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell as well. Remember to leave a comment, and remember to like the video. So West Avenue heading down to Dunrobin side. Alright, so that was a big fat Maserati that just came out. Almost all car brands are now in Jamaica. So, you know, once in a while you see some of these rare brands. So that was a Maserati. If you're a Maserati fan, leave a comment. Alright, so we're gonna take a quick spin in Dunrobin Park, and this is Dunrobin Park Avenue. So I haven't showed this side of Kingston much, so as much as I can, just trying to show you guys everywhere. So even though you guys may never get a chance to visit certain areas, at least you guys know the different areas. So Dunrobin Park. Alright, and right here is Rugby Acres phase 1. It's an apartment complex. We'll just turn inside. They recently repainted it, so the colors are now much more brighter. So these are one of the older type apartments, built quite a few number of years ago. Alright, so we have the Jamaica Liquor Warehouse. It's a liquor store, cafe and bar. It's on the right. And this is Lindsay Crescent. So again, just showing you guys around the different neighborhoods in Kingston. Some of these communities are very quiet, very residential, very low key. Some of these streets you wouldn't go on it unless you definitely have some business to do on it. And then El Gabriel apartment complex, we just passed it on the right. Alright, so this roads lead back onto Dunrobin Avenue, which then connects back onto Constant Spring Road. So this is where we at. Let's see if we can catch this stoplight. Alright, so we're back on Dunrobin Avenue. We literally just drove around some of the back roads. And again, most of you guys probably pass here every day, but haven't drove or driven on those, back roads before. So it's always good to, know different places. So again, we started out on West Avenue and we came down to Dunrobin. And again, we're in Kingston, Jamaica, just doing a quick driving video with you guys. And as usual, thanks for always clicking on the videos. Thanks for always watching, leaving your comment. Thanks for always liking. And I'll allow you guys to enjoy the rest of the drive. And I'll definitely see you guys on another video. Alright, and then to the right is the apartment complex we went on. Dunrobin Apartments.